So hi guys, yesterday I missed recording my videos because of some family commitments. I missed it, but yesterday was a loss. It's okay, fine. So today I did some trades on Nifty, and Bank Nifty, and today is 7th January. Okay, 7th January, and 7th January because of yesterday's loss, I taken a break and I followed some strategy that is specially for expiry. Okay, that's the thing. So on expiry days, what I should do or what my plan is to trade only after 12:30. Okay, 12:30, and whatever the money I'm putting is 100% risk. 100% risk. So or 100% risk means like risk can be taken 100%. Otherwise, you can go with stop loss and close it also. For example, if you look at today's trade, see orders. First trade I have taken around 12:51. Okay, why 12:51? See, I came at 12:30 and did some analysis, and then based on that 12:51 I taken. See, 12:40, it was breaking this and it's going up, and there is a resistance. Now if you see this place, okay, if I draw a small rectangle at this place, so this place there is some resistance and that is broken. But if I increase this rectangle to this place, so it's going around 14,231 something. Okay, okay, but here 14,000, this point also getting resistance, so I make like this. So now it's going here and it's falling. Okay, now there is a confirmation that it's coming down. So once it's coming down around 1250, I have taken a trade. P, what P I have chosen? 14,200 P. 14,200 PE. Why did I choose? Again, if I look at this option chain, okay, in option chain, 14,200 PE is here, and it is the highest number of open interest that is present, okay, on the CE side. So that means people are not ready to go above 14,200. But that time when I see it was around 7 something change, okay, 7 something change, that is almost double of this. There are people, and as the expiry goes on, everything is reduced. Open interest is reduced, but here it was 7. So 14,200 becomes a resistance for stock market today. That is one reason. When you look at the option chain, okay, and this is one more reason. This is one more reason where it's not crossing. Now if you see, it's 14,216, 217, it is like that. So but people are not ready to cross this. So yes, fine. So now what happened? 14,200 means don't take exactly as 200, because stock market, there is no perfectness. Okay, that if I say 200, 200 only, no, plus or minus 10 up and down. So it has taken here and it's coming back down. Now when I purchased at 1251, this is around 1251 is this candle. So when I look at 14,200 PE, I purchased around 18.45. I kept the limit today, and it also hit 18.45. Now what happened after that? There is a fall, and again it's went up, but 18 it's not crossed, and again it's fallen, and at this place it has touched around 42 rupees. 42 rupees, but this is the support. I thought this support also will be broken, but it's not broken, and 18 rupees, and I purchased only one lot, so my risk is also very less. Okay, in terms of 18 into 7, 75. If we take around 1000 or 2000, that's it, that's my risk. 18 into 75, maybe 750 plus 600. If you take 1400 is my risk. Okay, now what happened? It has reversed, but instead of putting a stop loss, okay, if you look at 146, there is a huge gap of time from 51 to 46, almost close to 1 hour. Now 46 is somewhere here. I want to keep a stop loss of 16 point something. Okay, so I thought of 16.6, I kept as a stop loss, but that was taken as a target. That is my error in keeping the order. So we always has to be careful while keeping the order. So 16.6, I thought it as a stop loss, but I kept a limit. Now it has reached at 28.75, around 46. Then immediately again I purchased. Now if you see from here to here, there is a 2 rupees or 3 rupees jump. So immediately again I purchased this and waited for some more time. Now if you look at this one, it has gone up, but it has not touched my stop loss of 16 rupees, and again it's came down. And when this moment is ready to break, it's close to 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock. So now few points I should observe here. Okay, why this one has fallen means, see, this is close to 130 and 135. Now if you look at this major indices, okay, major indices, investing.com, now European markets will start at 130 in winter. In summer it will start at 12:30. So this strategy starts at 12:30. Okay, but today is, this time it's winter, so they are starting at 1:30. Now if you look at this German chart, okay, see, first candle is down, second candle is down, and third candle is down, and it followed this. And most of the time it follows. I don't know what's the reason, but that's the reason why it has fallen, and it has halted. This also got reversed. So that is one probability, not sure. Okay, not sure, it's a probability that it can happen. So 14,200 I said from this, and European market is falling at 130. This now see, it's raised again, fallen, and it's halted. But our market, because of expiry after 3 o'clock, it started falling it. This same thing happened in last Thursday also. Okay, so once it's crossed 3 o'clock, then again there is a raise, and 301 I booked my profits, see, around 40 rupees. So this Nifty itself, I should have traded from 18 to 45. Now if you look at the all positions, okay, all positions, now this price is close to 65 rupees. So I made a 1400 profit, but investment is how much? It's only just 1500 rupees, and profit also 1500 rupees. So that is a thing I should do. Okay, in on expiry day itself, whatever the amount you're keeping is 100% risk, and profit is also 100%. If it reaches 100%, just book the profits. So I booked the profits, and same thing happened with Bank Nifty also. I'll explain about Bank Nifty. Now if you look at the Bank Nifty, I started trading around, see, around this place for 245. Okay, close to 245. I purchased 13.7, and I booked around after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I booked around 33.35, and quantity is 50. Okay, so Bank Nifty, if you look at 245 is this candle, it's ready to break. So 13 rupees into 50 is close to 700 rupees is only risk. 700 only is risk. So I thought, okay, 700, let it go zero or something. If money comes, let it see. Let's see. Then I started. So it was 13 and it came to 10. But after that, there was a good fall, and we booked profits. We booked profits. See, 33. 13 and 33, it's close to 20 into 50. If you take, it's 1000 rupees. Then again the movement is still continued. See, when you go with 505, okay, that means this is a 3 o'clock and it's raised, and this time again the value came to 15 rupees. So this time I reduced my quantity and taken 25. So risk is also less. 25 into 15 rupees, if you take around 300 and change rupees is my risk, totally 100% risk. Okay, that means if I lose 300, I'll go. But what happened after that? It market has fallen and it came to 40. Not only 40, it came to 60, 70 also, or 60s, and I booked my profit around 40. Now for all these things, see, the investment happened is only just around 1500 to 1600 rupees, but the profit is 3081. See, that is the beauty of stock market. Even with less amounts, you can make good only on expiries. So please keep this in mind. Even I have to keep in mind, so that's why I'm recording this video for me. So now I explained why I have chosen this and European market and this one. The same thing I'll explain now with Excel sheet. So in Excel sheet, so once you see 14,200 PE, I purchased around 18 rupees. See, amount needed is this one, okay, 1383. Now you see this is the profit, 2,156. So now you take the difference, 772 rupees is the one I got. Now again, one more I purchased around 2347 because there was an error in trading. Now it's came to 3063. So profit is again 700. See, now for buying I need only 685 rupees. Then I purchase, I know the amount is doubled. So that's good. So if you see overall, if you have around 2000 rupees, that's enough. Today we made a profit of around 3081. Okay, it's more than double my profits also. Today also my trades, all positive trades, because I did very less from past 2 days. Or if you take the January, out of 5 days, 3 days or losses, so 1 day profit. And so that's why I reduced my trades. So now everything, positive trades is 4, number of trades also 4, efficiency is 100%. See why it's 100%? Because I'll say one simple learning: the amount you take as a risk, if it's 100% and it doesn't affect you when you lose. So this is the most important, okay? It doesn't affect you when you lose. See, when I invested around 1300, if I lose also no problem for me. Or invested 2000, invested also no problem for me. Invested is again 685, if I lose also no problem for me. If that mindset is there, you will be cool and making the things better. This is like trading psychology, okay? But previous days, what happens? I used to take with 750 quantity, means even the investment is huge, okay? It's on Mondays, but on Thursdays I can plan with huge quantity and with this type of strategies. So that's it, guys.